In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Claude Code extension on Visual Studio Code. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is the Claude Code. If you want to install it on your terminal, you can follow this tutorial. You just need to type this command. But I'm going to install the extension for Claude Code on Visual Studio Code. I already opened VS Code here you are seeing, and to start the installation we just need to access the extension tab first. So this is the extension tab. I'm going to click here, and now a search box will be appeared. So under next this search box you will see install, and here I see no extension is there like for Claude Code. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here and start typing Claude Code and hit the enter key or return key of my keyboard, and here we will see list of Claude Code related extension is there, but I'm not going to start the installation with unknown thing. So I'm going to check which is from Anthropic. So it is showing Anthropic, so I'm going to choose this one. This is the official version of Claude Code for VS Code, and there is a start install button. To start the installation we just need to click here, and very shortly it will start the installation, and here it is showing installing. It will take basically few seconds, and after that you will see like that. That means it's installed properly, and now you will see one icon is there. So if you click here, then it will be open like this side, and here is showing you the detail like get started with Claude Code, and there are a couple of things are there like your AI coding partner, and some checkbox is there or radio box, open Claude Code, chat with Claude, or past conversation, something like that. And that's it. In this way we can easily install the extension for Claude Code inside the VS Code.